Need to check your computer's hardware or troubleshoot a driver? Device Manager is one of the quickest tools in Windows for doing that. In this guide, I'll show you several easy ways to open Device Manager. First, open the Start menu and type Device Manager in the search box. When it appears in the results, click Device Manager to open it. This is probably the easiest method for most users. Another quick option is the Power User menu. Right-click the Start button or press Windows and X on your keyboard. From the menu, select Device Manager. And that's it, the window should open immediately. You can also use the Run dialog. Press Windows and R, type devmsc, and press Enter. This command directly launches Device Manager, so it's useful when you want a fast keyboard-based method. Another method is through Control Panel. Open Control Panel, choose Hardware and Sound, then select Device Manager. Depending on your Control Panel view, the exact layout may look slightly different. Finally, you can open Computer Management. Search for Computer Management from Start, open it, and select Device Manager from the left-hand panel. This is handy if you're already managing other Windows tools. So, those are several simple ways to open Device Manager in Windows. The Start, Search, and Windows plus X methods are usually the quickest. Once it's open, you can check hardware, manage drivers, and troubleshoot device problems. Yeah, keep these shortcuts handy for the next time you need them.